What? Oh, thanks. What the fuck? You baited me! You fucking- that was first degree murder. You're fucked up.
I buried those cockroaches!
Oh, that damn one.
Fucking smash him. Jesus Christ.
Oh.
He's coming for you. Oh, he got caught! He got caught!
Defuse.
He got caught!
Defuse. Don't kill.
Op 4 is diffuser near a bomb. Diffuser located.
This is not. Well, first of all, writing.
Oh my god, the spot! The spot! The spot worked! The spot worked!
And double kill.
Yup.
Diffuser located.
Woo! Oh!
You made him eat the fucking wall.
Munch. Oh! Dude, what? Who?
Mission failed.
There's flash.
Oh, hellfire.
I went and made myself a salami sandwich.
A whammy salami sandwich.
Op 4 eliminated.
You fucking did not. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Oh shit.
Voice anymore. They always just say, "Bye, you guys." She's there to perform. Not cool. I sure do. 4-year anniversary of Bailey biting her tongue off at Tyler. Big Brother 20.
5 seconds remaining.
Because I looked back at the stream and it was completely frozen too in my ass. Free.
Remaining.
You killed the Mozzie that was fucking scanning you. Oh my god! Clueless. Clueless.
Nitro cell.
Oh!
Friendly operator remaining.
Nice one, Biggle. Think a Claymore. Like a Creed.
1 Op 4 remaining.
Cap was over on that other. Yeah.
Let's fucking go, dude! You're so garbage!
Go!
Eliminated.
Watch this.
It's time for your evolving lessons. Oh, rapture! I'm gonna be a monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Okay,